Welcome to our video on how to create your first report, where you will learn how to choose a template and theme, add data, add a visualization, sort, set properties, and add a crosstab. To create a report, click the New icon and select Report. On the Templates tab, select 2 rows. Then click the Themes tab, select Blue, and click OK. To add data, click the plus icon in the Data Panel Source tab and select Team Content, Get Started, Data, Banking Loss Events, and click Open. This data is from a previously uploaded file. At the top of the report, double-click the title placeholder, enter the title, and click OK. To add a visualization to the report, click the first plus icon and select Visualization. Click Line, select Smooth Line, and click OK. Click OK again to accept the defaults. To populate the visualization with data from the data panel, expand the tree and double-click Year to put it into the X-axis slot by default, double-click Region to put it into the Color slot, and drag Net Loss into the Values slot. To sort the years from lowest to highest, click Year in the visualization, click Sort in the context toolbar, and select Ascending. To size the visualization, click on the visualization to select it, open the properties, and set width to 900 and height to 200. Above the line visualization, double-click the title placeholder, enter the title, and click OK. To add a crosstab to the report, click the plus icon in the bottom row of the template and select Crosstab. In the resulting dialog, accept the defaults by clicking OK. Go to the Data panel and populate the crosstab with data. Double-click Risk Category to bring it into the rows, double-click Year to bring it into columns, and double-click Net Loss to put it into the measure. To sort the values for Risk Category in alphabetical order, in the crosstab, click Risk Category, click Sort in the context toolbar, and select Ascending. To sort the years from lowest to highest, click Year, click Sort in the context toolbar, and select Ascending. With Year still selected, click Horizontal Alignment and select Right to align the label with the values. To size the crosstab, select it and set the Size and Overflow Property Width property to 90%. Above the new crosstab, double-click the title placeholder, enter the title, and click OK. To preview the report, click Run Options and select Run HTML. Congratulations! You have learned how to create your first report. You can save the report into My Content and open it up again later. Thank you for watching this video on how to create your first report. Please comment on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about using IBM Cognos Analytics 11.